Hello everybody, I'm Lucy199 aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more video games lesson. So how you guys have been doing? My day is doing good, not to worry about it. I sat down with my classes from the college, so I waited for my bus to pick me up. Sorry a little background noises. Before we get started with the lesson, there are two things on Taint's Org that please reach out to other people if you guys are a fan of something. The first one right here, this young lady that she asking to sign this to bring the character from the movie back to the Disney theme parks. So well, she said all about herself and also she liked the movie. And she told me everyone that word she said. However, please support hers and make this young lady. Don't forget to take the next step. There are two choices. These two right here, you see it below. Please show the support to bring the character from the movies back to the Disney theme parks to make this young lady happy. If you do, okay. And also go to sign to say Smash Mouth did why keep it as it is. It is at Disney World known as Magic Kingdom and Disneyland. So, however, hold on for a moment. Sorry about that, but I just got back home already. So yeah, as a they explain everything all about the ride, the book, and the movie, of course. Please just show your support and let Disney know that you want Smash Mountain to stay the same the way it is. Remember, same thing, take the next step to choices. Please reach out to other people. If you guys are a fan of Smash Mountain, sorry my word, please support. And please sign D2 on Taint's Org for today, every day. Now let's get back to the video game lesson. Remember, all of these videos in this lesson are spoiler ahead. Please finish playing all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch the video. Take your time. Don't wait. We going had a lot of new games for upcoming about next year or so. So wait and see. And plus a DLC as well. Okay. You have to look up the name of the game console for yourself if I go too fast. And a last thing, keep the eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by any different game console. So, let's get going. If you had any favorite games, please comment what the name of the game that you truly like. So, let me know. And also, don't forget to sign D2 on change or like this one and that one to show your support if you are the real fan of it. These are the lists are the plan for next year. So wait and see about it. So there's some like years ago back, you see it right there. So the list of it, just wait and see for next year. So just wait. Yeah, that's what I said. Okay. One for this moment. Alright, we're back. Oh, there they are. What the heck wanted me for? Yeah, see, Hello Kitty had a lot of games, I'll be honest. But stop by here. See you in the next video. Bye.